And I believe y'all agreed to set child support based on an income of $20 an hour.
Yes, that is what he makes an hour. We
Okay.
just did not agree on the amount. Well,
Okay.
he doesn't care, but I didn't agree.
Okay.
Because he
So he
currently
makes,
gives me more than what you
okay.
guys are trying to give me.
Well, state has calculated guideline child support of $528 per month. Would you be in agreement with that amount?
No, because he gives me more than that currently.
But you agree that the amount that he gave as his income at $20 an hour is accurate?
Yes, the $20 an hour is accurate. He just makes overtime though,
Okay.
which is not on
I believe when y'all discussed in negotiations, neither you or him have access to private insurance at a reasonable cost.
there. We don't, unfortunately. He does not. He is not legal, and my job they don't offer it.
Okay. City's calculated medical support at $300 per month. Would you be in agreement with that?
Yes.
Are the two of you in agreement to be named as joint managing conservators with a standard possession order?
What do you mean with the standard possession order?
Standard possession order means he would have rights to possession on the first, third, and fifth weekend of the month, alternating holidays, alternating spring break, 30 days in the summer.
The only problem I have with that is that he currently takes some weekends and he comes, picks them up from school. And so if it's not on paper, he will stop doing it. And I don't have any other help for Liam if you guys only put every other weekend.
So maybe understand that this order, and in fact, this judge can't require him to take possession of the children at any given time. This is times that he would have the right of possession.
Well, I understand, but the way he sees it, if it's not on paper, then he doesn't have to do it. And currently, he is the one who picks up our child from school because there's nobody else to pick him up. So if he stops picking up because you're already telling me you're going to give me less money than he already gives me. And I have to figure out now somebody to go get my son from school because I can't go, I'm at work. And I have to figure out with less money.
So are you saying
who's
you
gonna
want
get my
him to
kid.
have, you want him to have possession every weekend? Is that what you're saying?
He does take them every weekend because I go to work. Yes.
Okay. But you want the court order to say that he has the right of possession every weekend and that you don't have the right any weekends?
No, I mean, I take him one weekend when I'm not working, but he usually takes them every weekend because I'm working. So that's what I'm saying. I know you guys just want to have it on paper for it, but with him, it's either one way or the other. So if the paper states that he's getting him every other weekend, but I still have to go to work and you guys are giving me less money than he already gives me, like, how am I supposed to pay somebody to have my kid taken care of? Because that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to pay somebody else because I'm already struggling as it is with what I have. And I still have to, you're going to give me less money. And then I still have to figure out some other way to have my kid taken care of, which I really don't want to do that either, just because I'd rather have my kid with his dad instead of with a random person that has to take care of him.
And you're not asking for any retroactive child support?
No, because he's helped me. He has.
Okay.
It's just sometimes he gets in a place where he doesn't want to do anything and he won't. So this is why I even came to the child support, because I wanted to make sure that it was just on paper so we didn't have any more issues moving forward. But for the most part, he's been good at being there and paying. Yes.
All right, I'll pass the witness.
Child support is at $528 and cash medical is $300 and I appreciate your problem with the visitation. I don't know what we can do about that except maybe give him the right to pick up the child every day after school. I don't know whether that would help or hurt, but if it'll help,
That would help.
I'll give him that right. I understand he doesn't have to do it.
Yes, of course.
Okay, then good luck to you, ma'am, and you're free to leave.
Okay.
So it's still the standard possession order? He just has the right to pick up the child every day from school?
Correct.